Can squirrels chew HVAC wiring? Yes, squirrels can chew HVAC wiring, and they can cause expensive damage, power problems, and even fire risks. Squirrels have teeth that never stop growing, so they chew hard things to keep them worn down, and that includes wires around outdoor air conditioning units and other heating and cooling parts. They are especially likely to chew in warm, hidden places like attics, crawl spaces, and around the metal cabinet outside your house. The wiring can get stripped, cut, or fully broken, which may make the system stop working or work in a strange way. One thing many people do not realize is that squirrels may also use the inside of an outdoor unit as a nesting spot, which makes the chewing problem worse because they stay close to the wires longer. If you want to help prevent it, keep tree branches trimmed away from the house, close openings that lead into attics, and use protective wire covering made for outdoor equipment. A licensed technician can also check for damage before it turns into a bigger repair. If you hear scratching, see shredded insulation, or notice your unit acting up, that is a sign to inspect it quickly. A common mistake is thinking only rats chew wires, but squirrels are strong enough to do serious damage too, so do not ignore signs near the outdoor unit. Another mistake is waiting until the air conditioner stops completely, when the real problem may already be a short or hidden wire damage, so act fast when you notice chewing or nesting signs. People also forget that trimming trees matters, because branches act like highways that let squirrels jump right onto the unit, so keep a clear space around it. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back and offer their estimates.